What's up, guys? Luckside coming to you here on the Clear Cryptos YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, grab your popcorn. That way, you'll know when we have content coming your way. You can sit back and enjoy it. Now, it sounds like you are ready to get into crypto, right? You got your money, you're all excited, and now you're wondering, where do I put my money? What is going to be the best crypto for me? Well, I want to help kind of guide you through this because there are some things that you need to know and some things that you need to watch out for because crypto is a very large space. There's lots of coins out there, some good, some not, right? One of the first places I would probably suggest looking for your crypto is one of the coin ranking sites. There are some very popular ones out there. And I would take a look, in the top 10 coins, right? Some of the ones with the largest market cap that have been around the longest, that have stood the test of time, that have gone through some of these bear markets that we're in right now. That would be probably one of the safer places to, put your money, right? Now, keep in mind there is volatility in crypto, so there's going to be ups and downs. I've ridden that wave many a times, but that is one of the best places to start. If you're feeling so compelled, or you feel like a kind of a gambling person, right? You can venture outside there. Just again, make sure you do your own research. There's a lot of things to know. Coins have different utility, different founders, different motives behind the creation of them, right? And really, you just want to be as well educated as possible about that. Some of the other places that you can look as well are some of the larger exchanges. Especially if you see a coin across multiple exchanges, chances are, it's pretty well vetted and that's not a bad thing, right? Now, one thing that you should probably avoid, right, is some of these trending sections at the top of these pages. A lot of these coins are not there necessarily because they're performing well or they have great utility or value or any of that stuff. A lot of these positions are bought and paid for. So, in order to keep yourself from getting wiped out, getting wrecked, right? You just want to make sure that you do your due diligence. Same thing goes for social media. There's going to be a lot of stuff that you see on there. A lot of bot activity promoting. Oh, hey, buy such and such coin. Well, again, it's not a good investment strategy to follow what some of those might tell you to do. But again, this is your money. You can do what you want with it. This is not financial advice, but I want to help you avoid some of the mistakes that I made when I first got into crypto. And that way, we can all succeed together, right? Now, make sure you like, subscribe, post any comments that you have. I'd love to hear from you guys and, see what you have to say. But that way, again, you'll be able to see when all of our great content goes live. And